In this video, I'll detail how to fix Apple Watch stuck on home screen. So if your Apple Watch stuck on your home screen and the soft touch is not working, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how to fix this. Stocking Apple Watch on home screen will not make the Apple Watch respond to your touch. You can only use the 2 crown, and in some cases this is not going to work. So if your Apple Watch is stuck to your home screen and while trying to use it, it's not responding as expected, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To fix your Apple Watch stuck on home screen or frozen, all you just need to do is press the side button and the 2 crown together. Just press the 2 buttons together like this. Keep pressing the 2 buttons until your Apple Watch screen goes off. Keep pressing and let go the side button and the 2 crown once the Apple logo appears. So just keep pressing, and once you see the Apple logo, then let it go. Then once your Apple Watch boots to the home screen, if you are using a password or passcode, you'll be prompted to type in the Apple Watch passcode. Now once you type in the Apple Watch passcode, you'll be taken to your Apple Watch home screen, and once you're on the home screen of your Apple Watch, then the Apple Watch screen frozen should be fixed. So what you just did here is you first restarted the Apple Watch, and first restarting your Apple Watch is going to clear all cache and cookies on the Apple Watch and probably clear the glitch if the glitch is not as a result of outdated OS. So once you do this, just wait for your Apple Watch to load or boot to the home screen, and what it does, type in the passcode. Once typed in the passcode, everything should be working fine now on your Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily fix stuck or frozen Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.